In today's video, while watching this unboxing, we find a great discount on its newly released smartphone such as Blackview A85 that just became official with its 50% discount due to Black Friday. This is a very cheap smartphone with mid-range features such as a 90Hz screen and maybe the best option if your budget is approximately $100. The A85 has the characteristics of its aesthetically pleased series of Blackview phones, which is elegant and slim design. It only weighs 193 grams, it is 80.6mm thick, and its back is made of a metallic matte finish that dynamically changes color depending on the incidence of light. It should be noted that the phone is available in 3 different designs. Sky Mirror as a white, Space Black is black, and Deep Sea Blue is a light blue. Each of these variants has a gradient color which, according to the designers, tries to reflect the color of the deep blue sea and the sky, expressing the pure beauty of the nature. Without a doubt, the design of these phones will make you stand out from the crowd. A85 is on its world premiere on AliExpress BlackFriday. What surprised us most is that it's priced at only about $100, which is really cheap for a smartphone like this. I must mention that the official sales links is below this video, be sure to visit them and grab your new Blackview A85 today at a super low price. That's all for now, see you soon in the next video, bye.